Hi there. Welcome to the SkillUp channel for another tutorial. In this brief tutorial, I am going to show you 10 amazing keyboard shortcuts. I am sure that, with these shortcuts, you can increase the speed of your work, and save your time. So without wasting time, let's start with number 1. Windows icon plus A. This is for access to quick settings. Number 2. Windows icon plus E. We can open with this combination keys File Explorer. Number 3. Windows icon plus I. This is for open settings. Number 4. Windows icon plus S. And this helps to open the search bar. Number 5. Windows icon plus V. This is for opening the clipboard. Number 6. Windows icon plus D. And this gives us a fresh window, and minimize all opened windows at the same time. Number 7. Windows icon plus X. This is for opening the link menu. Number 8. Windows icon plus R. We use these keys to open up the Run dialog box. Number 9. Windows icon plus Z. To open the snap layout, we use this combination of keys. Number 10. Windows icon plus L. Finally, this combination is to lock our screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, so please subscribe to this channel. And share this video with your friends. See you in the next video. Goodbye.